up in the cab of the 7720 John Deere. Just getting started on a pass here.
The wheat's running pretty good this year. We started earlier. Usually it's about after the 4th, but hot and dry weather, it really turned this wheat. And it's been running about 17% moisture. Today it'll probably be about 15. I want to get it out because the longer you let it sit out here with the rains are calling for and the humidity, I think it's starting to go down. So we just got to get it out right now. When you get a humid day, that's where you starts taking in the moisture on the wheat. Wheat is actually a flower, so you know it's going to absorb all of that. You're going to have a nice sunny day, but if it's humid, it's the moisture content of the grain. The dock can't get over it.
So what will you plant into this field next year?
Next year, we'll come in with corn.
Yep.
I'll have corn. Anything that had wheat on, we'll always come back with corn because I had the clover in there. And it's got its nitrogen in the roots of that clover. We still fertilize as usual, but it just gives that corn an extra boost. So we're not coming in with beans, but anytime you follow it with corn, with wheat, you come in with corn. Yeah, right here we had some wind knocked it down, so each time we get a storm, that seems like we're always getting wind with it, and it's just going to knock more down as we go, so it's time to get it out. You know, the days of the 80-acre, 100-acre, 200-acre farms is just about over. I'm what you call a truck patch farmer. But we got some good fertilizer company that takes care of us just as if it was one of the big guys.
Oh, that's great.
It's failures over here by Delta.
Yep.
It seemed like any time we needed a fertilizer or nitrogen, things sprayed, it was right out to do it. Yeah, we got some good places that take care of it. And our John Deere dealer in Hartsville is another good.
How long has this farm been in your family?
The one where I'm at is where my great-grandparents and all of these here since 1892.
Oh, wow.
It's been over 100 years.
Yep.
In fact, I live at the home place where my great-grandpa built. Emil Cole. Then my grandpa, he farmed the whole way. He did it. Oh my God. I don't know how that man did it. International H tractor, 2-bottom plow, 2-row planter, fertilizer bags was in big 100-pound burlap bags.
Yep.
Them guys worked hard.
Yeah.
He'd always talk about the thrasher days.
Oh, yeah.
Never about how hot it was, but how much fun they always had.
Yeah.
That's when neighbors all worked together. Because when they bring the thrash rig like to this farm, all the neighbors would help. And then when they go to the next farmer, all of them would go and help.
Yeah. I know my mother-in-law loves to talk about the past when the thresher would come to the farm and how they'd have big dinners with everybody.
Yeah, that was about the biggest thing he talked about. And I think the women tried to outdo each other who had the best meal.
Yeah.
Because I know one guy said that they was eating down there at my grandma's, and grandma made a real nice white cake gas came in the house and all landed on that cake, and she started crying because it ruined the cake, but the guys just scraped it off and ate it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it sounded like, you know, it was when everybody worked together.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is old school stuff, Josh.
Yeah. This is what I like to see.
She paid for it.
Yeah. Do you know what model year this was? Or
I think it would be about 78.
78?
Boy, there's going to be a lot of straw bale.
So what does the straw get used for you guys?
Bedding.
Okay.
And then if someone wants to buy some, we'll sell some, but
Yeah.
it's use it all for bedding. And it's hard to find much square bales anymore because it's hard to find any help, the bale.
Yeah.
But they're so much easier to handle.
Yeah. And so you were showing me back at the farm yesterday that the grain, you use an old McCormick grain drill to plant this, right? And and what model number was the Farmall?
Down, straight down.
Farmall M.
Yep.
That's such a unique planting team, and I definitely hope I can get back out to see you planting with it.
You come back out. Oh, all this old stuff. It's good, and it was made well. If you just keep the maintenance on it, and it should last. I know parts are getting harder and harder to find for some of this, but there's places like Steiner's, and there's a lot of reproduction places where you can order parts yet.
Yeah, these things, they were designed to run forever, I think.
And these, like this Deere combine, there's a lot of metal where your new ones. I remember a newer one caught on fire last summer doing wheat. My God, it was nothing but plastic. And after it got done burning, all you had was just metal frame.
Yeah.
There's no metal, and I don't think we're going to have any classic tractors coming up because everything's all plastic and computerized. And
Oh, yeah.
it ain't going to last.
Yeah.
But no, this has been a good combine. Watch it probably break right now.
Yeah.
Some will blow up.
Yeah.
But no, it's been good. We try to keep it up and service.
Yeah. What did you run before this combine?
My dad had an 815 International.
Oh yeah.
And when he passed away, I needed something a little bigger because it was just me stuck out here farming, and this speeded it up a little bit.
Yeah.
But I got Internationals, tractors, and John Deere, so we gotta have a little of everything.
Yeah. Yep.
And I always like what works the best. That's what we use. But no, the John Deere, the 7720 has been a real good combine. It's just like the 4440s and the 4020s, and then you go back to the International. You got the 815, Kirby, the 806s, 1006 or 1066. They're all good tractors. Everything's got its good pluses and minuses.
Yeah. I love the 1066 on the gravity wagons.
That's my favorite.
Yeah.
I don't like cab tractors. I only got one cab tractor. That's a 4440. Because I started to get a little. Didn't like working out in the cold too much.
Oh yeah.
But I still like to be out on an open cab tractor. You can see what you're doing, and
Yep.
but no, there's no GPS on this thing. And but yeah, it's really good today.
I hope hope you loved being out in the field with this John Deere 7720 combine harvesting wheat in northwestern Ohio. If you love seeing tractors like this at work, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.